Morena.
Morena. I'm Chanelle.
And I'm Damien.
And together we're renovating a 400 square metre wool shed. It's a very, very big project.
And we're getting through it by cutting off small chunks and dealing with each part as we go along.
So far we've renovated our bathroom, our kitchen and our bedroom loft. Today we're focusing on our lounge.
Because our area is so massive, the idea is to create a nice cozy little nook. So step one, we're going to raise the floor.
We're going to insulate it so that it's nice and cozy and then use OSB board to put down as our flooring.
After that, we're going to build up our framing for our walls and also our massive archway. Initially, I searched how to get the mathematics for it, and in the end, I just did a massive circle with my hand. And that's how I did the archway. Yeah.
And now that the archway is all framed out, we can start the rendering process.
So with the floor done, the archway done, and the rendered all sorted, it's time for us to go see our mates down at the Resene ColorShop and get some advice.
Here is the Resene Concrete Clear. So we're going to use this to seal up the porous nature of the render and get it ready to start painting with some top coats. Here are the colours that are available in the Concrete Clear. So we've got a few options available.
The Resene Blonde Wash looks awesome.
So we just finished painting our walls with the Resene Blonde Wash and it's not quite as warm as what we would like it to be. There's not enough drama to it for us. So the plan now is to head into the Resene ColorShop and see if we can find a new colour to work with.
We're keen to do something a little more bolder.
More dramatic.
Yeah, a bit more exciting.
Awesome, this is the best part of my job.
So we're thinking something along the warm reds.
So it depends how warm you want to go. Something like that could be quite cool.
Very bold. Now for the moment of truth, we get to see the Resene Persian Red go on our walls.
And painting it on was beautiful. It's so far from the original colour that we had chosen. It's perfect.
With the paint on the walls and all the projects completed, it's time to dress the lounge.
So we got someone in to do the carpet for us. We also carpeted our furniture. Then we added our new coffee table, which I love. It matches the sheep slats at the back of the fireplace.
With the lounge all completed, we got to sit back and we actually took an hour just staring at our awesome work. From start to finish, it took us 3 weeks. And the last night, there was no sleep at all, except for Chanelle.